Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to the spring semester of 2023. My name is Dr. David Zimring, and I will be your professor for this course on the history of the United States. You can also think of me as your guide and mentor as we go through the ins and outs on this wild and crazy journey through American history. So since the semester is going to start pretty soon, I just wanted to take a moment and tell you a little bit about myself. So I am originally from Southern California in the Los Angeles area, but I came up to NorCal to go to college at Davis before I headed east over to Charlottesville, Virginia for my graduate work. But 8 years ago, my family and I moved back to California, and now we call the Bay Area home. So my wife is actually an OBGYN, so both of us are in the doctor fields, though of different varieties. I have a 10-year-old daughter who's in the 5th grade now, so it's crazy how quickly they grow up. And then, remarkably, my son, who is 7 years old in the 2nd grade, he's actually deaf. And so for the last, for 7 years, I've been learning ASL along with my whole family. So if anyone is interested in learning some ASL, be more than happy to give you some free lessons. So there you go, bonus for this particular course. So when I'm not teaching American history, I enjoy reading a good book, watching a good movie, as well as playing a rigorous game of chess. And so when the semester is over, if anyone would like to challenge me to a game of chess, I am always open to that. And then finally, some of you may have noticed in the background right there, why is it that Dr. Zimring has what looks like an old rifle hanging on his wall? Well, there's a great story to that. So when I was in college, just like you are now, I did an internship at Gettysburg National Park over in Pennsylvania. I gave tours and I manned the desk. And the best part about it for me is that in that particular environment, there are any number of ways to get involved in reenactments. And so considering that my main field was the Civil War, this was just a golden opportunity. And so while I was stationed in Gettysburg, I actually got myself a reenactor's uniform, as well as that replica 58 caliber 1861 Springfield musket. And so that has been with me for over 20 years now. And I still pull it out occasionally whenever I want to do some reenactments or just to kind of show it off for any visitors. And if you're wondering, have I ever actually fired that thing? The answer is yes, but only once. And that was over 20 years ago in Gettysburg when I was involved with reenactments there. But so this is a great reminder for me just how much I love the subject of the Civil War and how much I love being able to teach about that period and so many others in American history. So that's just a little introduction about me. So I will see you all on the first day of class, and we will begin our great journey through American history.